Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup. First, select a variety of fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch. This ensures even cooking. Have your large soup pot ready on the stove, along with your preferred cooking oil or butter. This initial preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Next, we'll build the flavor foundation. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add chopped onions and garlic, sautéing for about 3 to 5 minutes until fragrant and softened. Then, introduce harder vegetables such as carrots and potatoes, cooking them for another 5 to 7 minutes. Don't forget to season generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of dried herbs like thyme or bay leaf. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour in 6 to 8 cups of high-quality vegetable broth or water. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the vegetables are fork tender. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even heat distribution throughout the soup. For the grand finale, add any delicate greens, such as spinach or kale, during the last 2 minutes of cooking. They will wilt quickly and retain their vibrant color. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or herbs if desired. Ladle your delicious homemade vegetable soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your nutritious and comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.